Hello, my name is Amber Slatoski. I am the Wednesday TA, and this video introduces you to scientific writing and how science is communicated. This video will discuss how science is communicated, what the parts of a scientific paper are, and what goes in an abstract. There are three main forms of science communication. The first form is primary literature. This is used by scientists to report their results. It's a form of communication that is closest to the source of information. Next, there's news and popular media, a form of communication that is a bridge between researchers and the public. This relies on the journalist's ability to correctly interpret and understand original content. Verbal communication is a form that is used by scientists, reporters, and laypersons to convey information derived from primary literature. As a student in a science course, it is imperative that you are able to understand and use all three forms. Here is an example of a science article that provides access for the consumer to the primary literature. Ars Technica includes at the end of its articles information about the journal article source that their content came from. Here is the original work by the scientists, and this can be viewed by those with comprehension of the scientific concepts to see just how well Ars Technica did at conveying this information. This week we'll focus on the abstract, but first I'm providing you some slides with a brief overview of what goes into a paper overall. There's lots of information on these slides. I'm just going to briefly state the name of the section. You can go back through and rewind and read each bullet point. The title is a brief description of the paper as a whole. Then there's the introduction, the methods, the results, the conclusions, and the references. All citations that are referred to in a paper are listed in the references. These citations and references are how you avoid plagiarism and thus honor code violations. We follow a specific APA format. These are links that will be available in the transcript for this recording on the website. However, this week we're going to focus on the abstract. This comes between the title and the introduction. It's short. It's no more than 7 to 10 sentences and no more than 250 words. This section is an overview of the whole lab report. It should stand on its own. Well-written abstracts include a broad introduction statement that frames why the study is important, a statement of hypothesis, a brief statement of the methods, a statement of key findings, and a conclusion statement. Your abstracts during the course of this semester will be graded according to a rubric. I've displayed the rubric here, and you are also able to see the rubric for an entire lab report online at the website. So, this video has discussed how science is communicated, what the parts of a scientific paper are, and what goes into an abstract.